Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, how to dropship products from Temu to Shopify. Since Temu doesn't officially support dropshipping, this method requires a manual setup, but if done correctly, it can still work effectively. So let's get started and walk through the full process step by step. First, you'll need to set up your Shopify store and choose a specific niche, such as home decor, pet supplies, or any product category with strong demand. Once your store is ready, head over to the Shopify App Store by clicking the Apps section in your dashboard and opening the App Store. In the search bar, look for the DESRS app. After finding it, click Install and allow it to connect to your Shopify store. Once installed, create a DESRS account or log in if you already have one. After verification, you'll be able to access the DESRS dashboard, where you can manage products and pricing. You can start with the free basic plan to avoid any upfront costs. Next, browse Temu and look for products you want to sell. Try to focus on items with fast shipping, ideally those offering delivery within around 10 days. Once you've selected a product, use the DESRS Chrome extension to import it into your Shopify store. This extension automatically pulls product images, titles, and descriptions, which saves a lot of time. Before using the extension, make sure you're logged in to your Shopify account. After enabling it, you'll see the DESRS option directly on the product page, allowing you to add and manage products without leaving your store. After importing the product, adjust the pricing carefully. Make sure to include shipping costs and aim for around a 30% profit margin while considering Shopify fees. For example, if a product costs around $7 on Temu, pricing it at about $15 can be a good starting point. When you receive an order on Shopify, you'll need to manually purchase the product on Temu using your customer's shipping address. Once the order is placed, add the Temu tracking number to the Shopify order so your customer can track their shipment. Temu does not include invoices in packages, which makes this process suitable for dropshipping. Finally, start small by testing a few products before scaling your store. Once you find products that perform well, you can gradually expand and grow your business. Consistency, patience, and smart product selection are key to success with Temu dropshipping. That's it for today's video. This is how you can dropship products from Temu to Shopify using a simple manual method. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.